Hey everyone, Eddie here from NextGen Surface Care. So today's task is restoring this beautiful marble floor. We're actually going to make it look better. The client wants it to be home finish, and we also need to remove lippage. And for those of you who don't know what lippage is, it just basically means the surface is not smooth and even, so it's uneven right now. And there's one tile higher than the other in some areas. And there was an attempt by a previous company, I'm not sure who the company was, to try and basically hone this, and they also tried to polish it, but it was a failed attempt because you see that little shiny spot right there? Okay, let me show you something. First off, that's not the proper polish, and second, let me try to move the camera here a little bit so you can see. This is a major slip hazard. Look at this. See this? Look how my foot just slides across that. That's a super slip hazard. That's a no-no. We're not gonna do that. So we've got about 1,600 square feet of this. It's a beautiful community. I love Royal Oaks Country Club here, so we get a lot of calls in this area, and we're basically gonna restore all of this. So what we're seeing here, you see one of my buddies back here, he's actually helping masking up and taping, and then we've got a little bit of staging area here with some of the equipment we're gonna be using. So we gotta go heavy. We gotta go, we gotta do some grinding here, get the surface nice and smooth. She has, big dogs, and she doesn't want to show all potential etching and stains, and she wants that nice velvet type look, like a satin finish. And that's what a hone finish will give us. So that's our goal, that's our objective. And we're gonna make this floor look beautiful again. All right, so look forward, stay tuned. Hey everyone, all right, so this is day 2, continuing with the project and flattening out this floor. So right now we're still in the process of grinding the floor nice and flat, making sure that there's no lippage anymore, and then kind of inspecting the floor as we go. So if you look behind me, you've got to see all the areas that have been done so far. We still got to go back around some of these areas to make sure everything is good, because I did see some. Hey guys, so quick little update on the project. So there was a little change of scope of work. So if you see here, this is the satin finish. It's really a high home finish. And if we look over here, this is more of a home finish right there. But the client decided she wanted to go with that one instead. So she liked more of a polished finish, so that's what we're gonna go with. Hey everyone, Eddie here from NextGen Surface Care, and we are wrapping up this beautiful project. Now, during the process of showing the client the different results you can get, we showed her what a home finish would look like, and at the end, she really didn't feel at home with it. So she decided to go ahead and polish it back up and then get the colors to become vibrant again, still have that shine, and still have that beautiful look. So now we have a beautiful shiny floor, as you can see here. And I'll walk around so you can kind of see behind me here as well. But floor is now nice and smooth and flat. I better watch where I'm walking. And we filled in all the holes, filled in any little cracks that we can fix, and then we went ahead and polished and sealed the floor. And as you can see, we have absolutely gorgeous results here. Check that out. And it was an interesting project. It was fun. We got it done. We got what the client wanted. And we did multiple samples to make sure she got exactly what it is that she wanted.